Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Felicia Heavican about the roles that women play in agriculture, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Felicia is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by with more.
We're excited to share this recipe today. It's for a s'mores cookie, and I have it on our Facebook pages already. Many people commenting, wanting to try it, excited to try it. Where did you find the recipe?
You know, it's just something I found kind of cruising through different cookie recipes that I like to use for my farmers markets. So.
Oh, right. Okay. And your family likes these?
Oh, yes. The kids love them. Husband eats 2 to 3 every time. So.
Okay. Well, how do we make them?
Yes. So I do mine a little bit differently. You can mix all these ingredients together, but I usually just start by stacking our graham cracker with our Hershey's bar and and a marshmallow. And then I like to roll my dough into little balls and freeze them for a little while. So then when it comes time to making them, I just flatten them out, cover our marshmallow, and they're good to be baked.
Oh, that's all you do? It doesn't have to be perfectly covered either?
Nope. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And they come out good every time.
Okay.
When they come out of the oven, if they're a little spread out, I just take a spatula and move around the edges so they're a little more circular.
Is this your own homemade cookie dough?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
So.
and I know we have a recipe to share for that as well.
Yes.
So people would just make their dough, or they could buy cookie dough, I assume.
Some people can, yeah.
Okay.
And you could do this with sugar cookies or any kind of peanut butter cookie dough, but I like to use chocolate chips.
Okay, so it looks like a standard chocolate chip cookie recipe right there. And then just get your graham crackers, whatever you would use for a s'more.
Yep.
The Hershey's, and of course the marshmallow on top.
Yep.
Okay, so this would be fun for the kids to do too. So you just lay these out.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll let you do the not messy
Put that
part.
on there, right. Put that on top.
We just stick the cookie dough over the top. Sometimes I smash it down a little bit. And when they come out, I like to smash them down a little bit as well.
And what was your oven degree for this?
This is 350 degrees.
350 for how long?
8 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I pull them out a little early because I like them a little gooey. So.
Okay, I wondered if you had to cook them or bake them longer due to having more to do with this cookie.
Not necessarily. So.
Not necessarily. Okay, cool. And so here are our finished cookies, and what they're looking like is like a little mound here on top,
Yep.
right?
That's that marshmallow. And if you want them extra gooey, when you go to eat them after they've been out of the oven, I just pop them in the air fryer or microwave for 3 seconds, and they're gooey again.
Pull them apart, and you can see the goo right there. Really good if you need an afternoon treat. This would be good. Again, we have this recipe on our Facebook pages. Felicia, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Back to you, John.